Assalamu alaikum children, welcome to my channel Live and Learn with Maryam. This video is for grade 1 Arabic learners. In this series, we will learn Arabic step by step starting from the very basics. So let's begin together. This is lesson 1, Arabic alphabet. Al-Huruful Hijaiyah. Alright, so the first letter of Arabic is Alif. How to write Alif? Alif. Very simple. Alif. Alif for Asadun. Asadun means lion. Alif for Ummun. Ummun means mom. Alif for Abun means father. Alif for Ibratun. Ibratun means needle. Next, now we have Ba. Second letter is Ba. How to write Ba? With a dot. Ba is for Barqun. Barqun means lightning. Ba is for Baitun. Baitun means home. Ba for Babun. Babun means door. Ba Bahrun. Bahrun means sea. Third letter is Ta. Ta for Tamrun. Tamrun means date. Ta for Tajun. Tajun means crown. Ta for Teen. Teen means fig. Ta for Tufaha. Tufaha means apple. How to write Ta? Exactly same as Ba, with two dots above it. The fourth letter is Thaa. Thaa for Thalabun. Thalabun means fox. Thaa for Thamratun. Thamratun means fruit. Thaa for Thumun. Thumun means garlic. Next we have Thaljun. Thaljun means snow. How do we write this letter? Thaa. Exactly same as Ba and Ta with three dots above it. Now, let's practice the four letters. We have to write the letters associated with these pictures. Do you remember these pictures? Pause the video and try doing it yourself. Okay, let's try it together. The first picture is a lion. Do you remember what the word for lion was? Asadun. Alif, Asadun. Next we have crown. Tajun. Ta for Tajun. Next we have fruit. Thaa, Thamratun. Next we have a door over here. Babun. Ba for Babun. We have a house over here. Baitun. Ba for Baitun. Next we have father over here. Abun. Alif for Abun. Next we have apple. Ta for Tufaha. Yes. Next we have snow. Thaljun. Tha for Thaljun. Next we have fox. Thalabun. Tha for Thalabun. Very good. Now we'll see the fifth letter.